Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Uber Eats account settings, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your Uber Eats account settings, begin by opening the Uber. Once the app is open, locate the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon to access your account settings. Next, scroll down to find the settings option and tap on it. In the settings menu, look for the account section. Select account to see various account-related options. Here, you may find options for updating personal information, payment methods, and address settings. To reset specific settings, choose the category you wish to modify. If you want to update your payment information, tap on Payment Methods. To remove a payment method, select the one you want to delete and follow the prompts. For updating your delivery address, go back to the Settings menu and select Addresses. Choose a current address to edit or add a new address by tapping the plus icon. Make necessary changes and save them by tapping Save on the top right. If you need to reset your account entirely, scroll to the bottom of the Settings menu. Here, you might find the option labeled Delete Account. Read the instructions carefully, as deleting your account will erase all your data. Confirm your choice by following the on-screen prompts. After that, to create a new account, simply log out of your current account. Return to the login page and select Create Account. Input your details and follow the setup instructions. Once everything is complete, your new account settings will be in effect. Check your profile to ensure all settings are as you desire. You have now successfully reset your Uber Eats account settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.